Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews, where we bring you the most detailed reviews of the hottest cars on the market. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Toyota Celica GT. Yes, it's back. After years of speculation and fan demands, Toyota has finally revived the Celica nameplate, and it's more thrilling than ever. Let's get into it. The 2025 Celica GT carries a bold, aggressive design that blends heritage with modern performance styling. The sleek profile, sculpted body lines, and low-slung stance scream speed even when parked. The front fascia is dominated by a sharp, angular grille and LED matrix headlights that give the car a fierce presence. Around back, the LED tail lights and integrated rear spoiler add both style and aerodynamic functionality. Under the hood, the Celica GT packs a punch. Toyota equips it with a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters, the Celica delivers a thrilling driving experience that's true to its roots. Performance-wise, the 2025 Celica GT goes from 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds. The chassis is tight, the suspension tuned for sportiness, and the handling sharp and responsive, perfect for both spirited driving and everyday usability. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. The sports seats offer premium comfort and support, wrapped in suede and leather trim. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota didn't forget safety either. The 2025 Celica GT comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Customization is key with the Celica GT. Buyers can choose from a range of color options, wheel designs, and even a track package that includes upgraded brakes, stiffer suspension, and a limited slip differential. Starting at around $36,000, the Celica GT offers tremendous value for performance enthusiasts looking for something fresh yet nostalgic. Toyota has built a car that honors the past while charging into the future. So, is the 2025 Toyota Celica GT worth the hype? Absolutely. It's stylish, powerful, and loaded with tech, a true return to form for one of Toyota's most beloved sports cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our in-depth car reviews. This is Autoverse Reviews, bringing you the cars you love, one review at a time.